Hello everybody, today I'm just going to be showing you a real quick video on how to download DLC on Black Ops 2 on Xbox Series X when it's on your profile or on another profile that you played, back in your 360 days. Anyway, so right now I'm playing on my Xbox One / Xbox Series X profile, so all my data on Black Ops 2 is not even on this account. So if you had a problem like that and I was wondering how the heck do I get all my stuff, here's what you do. All you gotta do is have another account. So yeah, I have an account right here. It's Bell2377. That is my account that has all my Black Ops, Black Ops 2, Black Ops 1, Call of Duty Ghosts, anything that's 360, it's on there, all my data. So, and I was dumb enough to make another account, RadBell, on my Xbox One, Series X, whatever, like that. So it was always separate, the data. So all you gotta do is make Bell2377 or your other account as your main Xbox. You put it on the main Xbox. So let me show you real fast. Okay, so super easy. You just go to settings, and then when you're on that account, which I'm not on that account right now, but I'm just showing you. Once you're on that account, you go to personalization, and you go to My Home Xbox. Then boom, you make this My Home Xbox. Once you do that, like it says, all the games that are on your other console, it'll let you download it on this console, on this profile, even though you're not on it. Plus, if for some reason you have gold on the other file and you put it on your home Xbox, you can get gold on all your accounts. So that's pretty cool, and that's how you share games that you have on other profiles on the same Xbox without having to sign in to the other profiles. I know it's a little confusing, but once you do it, everything will make sense. Sadly, you can only have 5 switches in a year, which is pretty dumb, but I guess, I don't know, it had to be done, who knows. So yeah, so be careful about the 5 switches, but yeah. Home Xbox, put all the profiles you used on your 360 or any other thing as one home Xbox so you can play all the games and you have all the data on the games that you have. Now, if you're still confused, let me just sum up real fast. You just gotta use your 360 account and make that your home Xbox on your Series X or whatever console you have, Xbox One, whatever. That's all you gotta do to get, your stuff, like your games, and if they're on disc, of course you need a disc, but, now that you've done that, or if you have already done that, all you gotta do now is install it. So the DLC is sometimes not installed for some reason, and you're wondering, you play it, and you're wondering, where the heck's my DLC at? I did it, I made that my home Xbox. So all you gotta do to fix this, no matter what, it'll always fix it. You go to manage installation on your storage, whichever storage you use. And then you go to, of course, I have all the maps, but yeah, you go to your maps, and it shows your add-ons, your add-ons. And you can see all your add-ons right here. Of course, I have all the maps, like I just said. I don't know why I said that again. And you can make sure they're installed. And yeah, sometimes they double up for some reason. I think it's because I got the season pass. With the season pass, you have to still download the maps individually, I'm pretty sure. So if you get it, you have to download the maps individually as well. I don't think just having the season pass gets you all the maps. So yeah, remember that, because it's very good to know. But yeah, once you have that, you make sure all the add-ons are installed, and yeah, then you'll have all the add-ons on Black Ops 2, and most likely any other game you have. Now, if anyone's having trouble on this, or having trouble on another game like Call of Duty Ghost or Black Ops 3 or something, comment down below and I'll make a little tutorial about that too. I'm sorry this is kind of confusing. It's just I'm not that great at explaining things, but hopefully I'll get better in the future. Also, if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment, yeah, how you found this helpful, or like I said, if you need a little bit of help, I'll be sure to help you out in the comments. Anyway, peace.